Think you've seen cool toys before? Think again. These 12 mind-blowing gadgets will make you wish you were a kid again. From AI-powered robots to gravity-defying cars, these aren't just toys. They're next-level game changers. Stick around because number 7 will leave you speechless. Ninebot Go-Kart Pro. Watching race cars zoom around the track is thrilling, but what's even better? Having your own mini race car. The Ninebot Go-Kart Pro takes go-karting to a whole new level, blending power and style into one incredible ride. Designed to look like a high-performance supercar, this go-kart is built with a premium, brushless copper coil motor, ensuring minimal resistance and heat loss for maximum speed and cruising efficiency. Its TPE rear tires make drifting effortless so you can pull off those cool moves with ease. Despite its futuristic design, this go-kart is perfect for both beginners and pros, making it accessible to all skill levels. And to enhance the experience, the immersive engine sound simulator makes you feel like you're on a real racetrack, speeding toward victory. Tilt 5 AR Game Board. Board games have always been a great way to bring people together for some fun, but let's be honest, they're starting to feel a bit outdated. Enter the Tilt 5 Augmented Reality Game Board, a high-tech system that takes classic board games into the future. This cutting-edge AR system uses a special optical setup that provides a private, personalized view for each player. Thanks to the AR glasses, there's no way to cheat. Each person can only see their own hidden pieces, making multiplayer gaming more immersive than ever. The board itself is designed with micro-reflectors that create a vivid, interactive display, reflecting images directly into the glasses rather than outward. This means only you can see what's on your board, adding a whole new level of strategy and excitement to your game. Smartphone-controlled paper airplanes. Paper airplanes are a childhood classic, but let's be real, their short flight time can be a little underwhelming. Now, thanks to smart technology, you can take your paper planes to new heights, literally. These smartphone-controlled paper airplanes feature an award-winning design that brings your childhood dreams to life. With a Bluetooth-powered conversion kit, you can control your plane right from your phone. It's super easy. Just tilt your phone left or right to steer, and adjust the throttle to make it soar higher or glide lower. With an impressive 55-meter range and a crash-proof build, you can enjoy endless flying fun without worrying about flimsy paper planes nosediving too soon. Say goodbye to old-school paper planes and hello to a next-level flying experience. Iron Man Robot. If you're an Avengers fan, get ready to meet the ultimate collectible, the Iron Man Robot. This high-tech mini Iron Man comes with a retractable faceplate, and here's the cool part. You can customize it with any face you want, so it doesn't have to be Tony Stark all the time. Equipped with an accelerometer, gyroscope, and IR sensors, this robot can walk smoothly without bumping into obstacles or falling over. But the real magic happens with its AR app. Just download it on your smartphone and control Iron Man to battle villains and level up. The more you play, the stronger he gets, unlocking new weapons and armor. Want to take customization even further? You can install new scripts and actions, making it a truly interactive experience. If you're a Marvel fan, this is one gadget you won't want to miss. Trainer Bot. Want to level up your ping pong game? The Trainer Bot is here to help. This smart ping pong trainer lets you practice anytime, anywhere. No opponent needed. It automatically shoots out ping pong balls so you can focus on improving your skills. Plus, it connects to a smartphone app, giving you complete control over the speed, spin, and shot style. No matter what surface you're playing on, the Trainer Bot adapts, allowing you to position it anywhere on the table. It comes with preset training modes, helping beginners start slow and gradually increase difficulty. Advanced players can even challenge themselves with randomized, unpredictable shots for a real test of reflexes. Despite its compact size, this little gadget packs the power of a full-sized training machine, making it perfect for players of all skill levels. If you're serious about ping pong, this is the ultimate training partner. Vertigo. What if you could combine exercise and fun into one awesome gadget? That's exactly what Vertigo does. This high-tech pogo stick lets you jump several feet into the air, turning a simple bounce into an exciting, full-body workout. With adjustable air pressure, it's designed for all weights and skill levels, making it perfect for both kids and adults. Each Vertigo is expertly crafted in Southern California, ensuring top-notch quality, durability, and safety. It's also lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere and start hopping anytime. Plus, while you're having a blast, you're also engaging multiple muscle groups, giving yourself a killer cardio workout without even realizing it. Pretty cool, right? Get ready to jump higher, get fitter, and have more fun with the Vertigo. Smart Nano Drone. Introducing the Smart Nano Drone, a super compact, high-tech drone that fits right in the palm of your hand. Capturing high-resolution aerial shots has never been easier. Despite its tiny size, this drone delivers stunning footage with ease. It's simple to use and fully controllable via smartphone, making it perfect for both beginners and drone enthusiasts. One of its coolest features is tilt mode, which allows you to control its movement just by tilting your phone, giving you a seamless and intuitive flying experience. Small but powerful, the Smart Nano Drone is your pocket-sized gateway to epic aerial photography and fun flying adventures. Spider Pie. Ever wanted a robotic spider to follow you around? Meet Spider Pie, a high-tech hexapod robot that's as creepy as it is cool, and way smarter than it looks. Equipped with a high-resolution camera and object tracking, this robotic spider can navigate obstacles, follow objects, and stream live footage straight to your phone via its mobile app. Want to keep an eye on your pet while you're away? Spider Pie's got you covered, as long as your furry friend isn't too freaked out by it. Powered by a Raspberry Pi controller, this programmable robot is highly customizable, making it the perfect learning tool for aspiring programmers. Whether you're into robotics, AI, or just love cool gadgets, Spider Pie is a fun and futuristic way to dive into the world of coding. HHD-H6? Imagine a drone that doesn't just fly, but also transforms into a land vehicle when needed. That's exactly what the HHD-H6 does. This futuristic remote control toy starts off as a high-flying drone, but when it needs to move on the ground, its propellers transform into wheels, turning it into a mini bike. With a 40 to 50 meter control range, you can guide it with ease whether it's in the air or cruising on land. One of its coolest features is the one-key return function, which lets it automatically switch back to its previous mode when it completes a task. If it ever loses signal, the drone logs its last function and returns safely. Plus, the smartphone app allows you to live stream its camera feed via Wi-Fi, giving you a smooth, hover-stabilized view for crystal-clear footage. And the best part? This high-tech transforming drone costs just $60, an absolute steal for such an awesome gadget. Ganker! Meet Ganker, the ultimate battle robot designed for hours of fun with friends. This highly customizable robot lets you personalize everything from its color and faceplates to additional components and add-ons that enhance its performance. Whether you want to upgrade its abilities or fine-tune its look, Ganker adapts to your needs. Plus, it's programmable, so you can tweak its behavior and create your own battle strategies. But the real magic of Ganker isn't just in solo play, it's in the thrilling multiplayer battles. Through its smartphone app, you can connect with friends, control your robot, and compete in epic matches. Unlike traditional robot fights where damage is a concern, Ganker uses sensors to detect hits and virtually reduce health, so there's no risk of wear and tear. That means you can battle as much as you want without worrying about breaking your robot. With Ganker, the fun never stops. Customize, program, and battle your way to victory. Silver-lit robot chameleon. Does your child want a pet but isn't quite ready for the responsibility? The silver-lit robot chameleon is the perfect solution, offering all the fun of a pet without the upkeep. This adorable robotic chameleon was a 2018 Toy Award winner for preschool-aged kids, and it's easy to see why. It features large, expressive eyes that bring it to life with dynamic movements, making it feel like a real little companion. Just like a real chameleon, it can change colors on its back and crest, adding an extra layer of realism. But the coolest part? Its extendable tongue can push objects out of the way and even pick up metallic items thanks to its built-in magnet, just like a chameleon snatching its prey. Controlled via remote, this interactive pet is not only fun to play with, but also a steal at under $50. If you're looking for a cute, high-tech toy, this little chameleon is a must-have. BellaBot. Ever wondered what a restaurant or hotel of the future would look like? Well, you don't have to imagine. It's already here with BellaBot, the smart robotic waiter that not only serves food but also brings a little joy to your day. On the functional side, BellaBot comes with 4 sensor-enabled trays, capable of carrying up to 10 kilograms of food or items with ease. Its wide-angle vision and object detection allow it to navigate smoothly through busy environments without bumping into people or delays in deliveries. Plus, it ensures high accuracy, so you never have to worry about orders going to the wrong table. But what really sets BellaBot apart is its adorable personality. With a touch-sensitive screen and an interface designed like a friendly cat, it meows at customers when it arrives, encouraging them to pick up their order. If someone pets its ears, it responds with delightful phrases like, "Your hand is so warm," making the experience even more charming. However, if you hold on for too long, BellaBot gets annoyed, changes its expression, and politely reminds you that it still has work to do. Now that's one quirky, futuristic waiter. Which of these cool gadgets are you most excited to try? Comment below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one.